This is OmniShaver's new maintenance back razor. It is not for shaving long hairs. Use clippers for the initial shave. Our unique lotion spreader allows you to self-lubricate your back. Then, detach the lotion spreader to reveal the shaving heads. The fully articulating shaving heads, ribbed cage, and claw allow the blades to reach every area. The handle provides 11 locking positions. Ribbed handles ensure a stable grip in slippery conditions. The maintenance back razor is a bi-directional shaver which strops its blades during use. Back and forth strokes extend the blade's life and is the fastest way to shave. For each back and forth stroke, shaved hairs that are caught between the blades are pulled free, which keeps the blades clean and increases shaving performance. By detaching the lower handle, harder to reach areas become more accessible. The ribbed cage that holds the shaving heads can be detached from the claw to shave the chest and belly with back and forth strokes. Rinse the blades out in warm water and fold in half until your next shave. OmniShaver's maintenance back razor makes daily shaves fast and easy.